After using the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G for a month, the overall experience is a blend of positives and areas for improvement. One of the standout features is the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, which offers vibrant colors and sharp contrast, making it an enjoyable device for watching videos, browsing social media, or gaming casually. The 90 Hz refresh rate adds to the smoothness of scrolling and swiping, which is especially noticeable during routine navigation. The battery life has also been impressive, with its 5,000 mAh capacity providing enough power for an entire day of usage, even with moderate screen time and app use. Additionally, the 25W fast charging feature ensures that the device powers up quickly when it's running low, an important convenience in today's fast-paced world. In terms of performance, the Galaxy A16 5G manages most everyday tasks such as messaging, light browsing, and media consumption with ease. However, when it comes to demanding tasks like heavy gaming or multitasking between multiple apps, the device can feel sluggish and less responsive. It is powered by a mid-range chipset, and while it does its job for typical users, those expecting high-end performance may be disappointed. On the camera front, the triple camera setup, consisting of a 50MP main sensor, offers decent quality photos in good lighting conditions, though it struggles a bit in low-light scenarios. The photos taken are generally clear and vibrant, but the camera's performance doesn't match that of higher-end models, especially when it comes to dynamic range and detail in complex scenes. The design of the Galaxy A16 5G is somewhat uninspired, with noticeable bezels around the display and a teardrop-shaped notch at the top. While it isn't necessarily unattractive, it doesn't feel as premium as some of its competitors in the same price range. The back of the phone is made of plastic, and while it's sturdy, it lacks the glossy finish or texture that might appeal to those looking for a more modern design. That said, the device is relatively lightweight and comfortable to hold. One of the strongest points of the Galaxy A16 5G is its promise of software longevity, with Samsung committing to providing up to 6 years of software updates, including security patches. This makes the phone a long-term investment for users who want to keep their device up to date for several years without worrying about obsolescence. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is an excellent choice for users looking for a budget-friendly device with a large screen, solid battery life, and decent camera performance. It performs well for daily tasks and media consumption, but may not satisfy users who require faster performance or superior camera capabilities. With its long-term software support and affordable price point, the Galaxy A16 5G strikes a solid balance between value and performance.